I wanted to take a second and say hello and welcome you to the family. On behalf of myself and the entire Centric Auto Repair team, I want you to know that we are truly excited and grateful that you decided to join us. I know you're going to be absolutely blown away by how you are treated by every one of our team members. Here are some things that you can expect from us. First, we will always be honest with you and upfront about the condition of your vehicle. Sometimes it's good news and sometimes it's not so good news. No matter what, all we want to do is provide you with information that you need so you can make the best decision for yourself and your family. Second, you'll never get a pushy sales pitch. We think you're smart enough to decide what's best for you once you have all the information in front of you. Finally, we stand by our repair and diagnosis, doing anything necessary until you're comfortable and satisfied. The most important thing to me as the owner is not the profit on each transaction, but instead the trust and confidence you have in our team to solve your problem. The bottom line is generally, we care about you. Sounds fair? Great. Once again, I just want to say thank you. We are so happy to have you as part of our family.